Here is a messy expression with powers and roots. In this lesson, we simplify expressions like this quickly and cleanly, and we'll solve this exact one at the end. To simplify expressions with powers and roots, follow 3 steps. Rewrite the roots in a helpful way. Use the exponent rules. And make the final result clean. Let's apply the strategy fast. Square root of 50. Factor inside the root as 25 times 2. Square root of 25 is 5, so the expression becomes 5 times the square root of 2. Cube root of 54. Rewrite as 27 times 2. Cube root of 27 is 3, so we get 3 times the cube root of 2. Now a mix of powers and roots. 2 to the 4th power divided by the square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So we subtract the exponents. 4 minus 1 gives 3. That becomes 2 to the 3rd power, which is 8. 4 to the 1/2 times 4 to the 3/2. Add the exponents, giving 2. 4 squared is 16. Square root of 9 times 3 squared. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 squared is 9. 3 times 9 is 27. Now let's simplify the hook expression. Square root of 36 is 6. Cube root of 27 is 3. So the fraction becomes 6 times 3 squared divided by 3. 3 squared is 9. 6 times 9 is 54. 54 divided by 3 is 18. The final answer is 18. The key ideas are simple. Rewrite the roots. Use the exponent rules. Make the final answer clean. Now here's your challenge. Simplify the square root of 50 times 5 squared divided by the cube root of 125. Post your answer in the comments. I'll pin the first correct one.